When you have multiple products in an online business, it can be really helpful to offer multiple products in one bundled offer. And it's super easy to do on Kajabi. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to bundle an offer. This is gonna be really helpful, especially coming up for like Black Friday sales or Independence Day sales, or anytime you want to do a massive sale. It's really helpful to be able to take two different products, like maybe a flagship course and a mini course, put them together into a bundled offer, and then offer that at a discount for the both of them. This is really easy to do on Kajabi. We're gonna dig right into it. This is day 62 of Crush It on Kajabi in 90 days, where we're taking 90 days to look at Kajabi and how, when you're on Kajabi, it gives you superpowers in your online business. You're able to do things that you never dreamed possible. It just makes your life so much simpler. I love it so much. And if you want to jump onto Kajabi, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial, 30 days to check it out, see if it's for you, see if you like it. You'll also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me, where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. And then once you sign onto Kajabi, like you get through your free trial and you decide to become a member, I'm gonna give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in its first 3 launches. I'm gonna give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because that is an affiliate link, so I do get a commission when you use it. So if you're gonna jump onto Kajabi anyway, and you appreciate what we do here on this channel and it's helpful to you, then be sure to use my link. All right, so let's dive into this. Where I am is on the offers page, and I'm just gonna click on new offer, and then I'm gonna give it a title. And let's just say, I'm gonna say test offer for demo. And the product, let's say that I am going to start with my flagship course, which is Killer Sermons Academy. So that's gonna be the first thing that I put in this offer, and we'll bundle it with something in a minute. And then I'm gonna go one-time payment, and I'm gonna put the price. Normally the price for Killer Sermons Academy is at $397 for the platinum version. But I'm gonna add Preaching Jumpstart, which is normally $97. So I'm gonna add the 2 of those. So that would normally be $500. I'm gonna add the 2 of those for $427. So if you buy both, you get you get it for $427. So let's go ahead and create this offer. What it's gonna do is it's going to generate the offer page for me. So I can put in here, so it's test offer for demo. So let me just say this is the Killer Sermons Academy plus Preaching Jumpstart bundle. Okay, so that is going to be the title. We'll also go ahead and make that the internal title, and then in the description I might just say get these 2 great courses for a massive discount. Okay, because they're getting about $70 off what it normally would cost. So this is where I bundle it. Notice that right now it's just one product, which is Killer Sermons Academy, and I'm gonna add the Preaching Jumpstart course to it, and I'm also going to add the bonuses. The way I did it is I actually have my platinum level bonuses for Preaching Jumpstart in a separate product. So with this, it's really one product, which is Killer Sermons Academy Platinum. So it's the basic course plus the platinum bonuses, and then Preaching Jumpstart. So those 3 courses, or those 2 courses plus the bonuses, are in one bundle. And then I can add the cart abandonment email that I want. I can do an upsell. I can do a automation, product bump. I have all kinds of videos on that if you want to see how those work. But that's the simple way to make an offer that is a demo. Once I have that, I can just take the link to this offer, copy it, take the link to this offer, copy it, and I'll be able to share it with whoever. When I go to edit checkout, this is where I can put in all the information that I need to and explain that what you're getting here is a bundled offer with 2 different courses, 2 different awesome courses for one low price. So that is the simple, quick way to do a bundled offer on Kajabi. You can have all kinds of fun with this. You can do all kinds of amazing things. You can, again, one-click upsells. You can do order bumps here on the checkout page, all kinds of cool things. But I wanted to show you very quickly how to do it. If you want to jump on a Kajabi, be sure to use my link below. Be sure to let me know in the comments what questions you have so I can answer them in future videos, and be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos that we do. At this point, if you want to know more about Kajabi, click on this link right here. That'll take you to a playlist that I made all about Kajabi, all that it does, so you can see if it's right for you. So click right there and I'll see you in that playlist.